What day is today? August 5th makes a brief philosophical case for underwear, works like a dog through the last dog days of summer, and serves couscous next to an oyster. National Underwear Day acknowledges the garment accounting for over $14 billion in annual US sales, the industry's annual reminder that foundations matter. Work Like a Dog Day is the calendar's prod to bring full effort to whatever is on the desk during the last stretch of summer. Blogger Day celebrates the blogger platform launched by Pyra Labs in 1999, which opened web publishing to anyone with a connection and an idea. National Couscous Day honors the semolina pasta staple of North African cuisine, a pantry standard across Morocco, Algeria, and Tunisia. National Oyster Day celebrates the bivalve that filters up to 50 gallons of water daily. National Dashcam Day raises awareness of dashboard cameras and their road safety documentation role. Put on the good underwear, work hard, eat the couscous, send this to whoever is actually celebrating today.